Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper on a Honda Pilot. First, gather your tools: a new wiper blade designed for your vehicle and a small flathead screwdriver. Park your Honda Pilot on a level surface and turn off the ignition. It's always a good idea to quickly review the instructions that come with your new wiper blade, as designs can vary slightly. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Be careful not to let it snap back against the glass. Next, look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click when it's fully seated and locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's secure. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear windshield, making sure it rests flat. To complete the process, test your new rear wiper blade. Turn on your Honda Pilot and activate the rear wiper using some windshield washer fluid. Observe its operation to ensure it moves smoothly and clears the glass without streaks or chattering. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember to replace your wiper blades regularly, typically every 6 to 12 months, for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.